Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Bhopal gas tragedy, chemical waste disposal begins. After 40 years, the disposal of 337 metric tons of toxic waste from the Union Carbide factory site in Bhopal commenced. The waste is being transported to Pithampur for incineration under strict safety measures. The operation follows decades of protest and legal proceedings linked to the disaster's legacy. Before moving further, we wanted to inform you that the ISGS Foundation Prelims plus Mains offline batch at Drishti Noida starts on 9th January for English medium and 16th January for Hindi medium. For more details, call us on 87501 87501. Enroll now. Let's discuss key details of waste disposal. First, transport details. 12 fire-resistant containers, each carrying 30 tons of waste, escorted by a 25-vehicle convoy. Second, safety measures. Sealed 200-meter radius, 1,000 police officers deployed, workers restricted to 30-minute shifts. Third, waste composition. 162 tons of soil, 92 tons of pesticide residues, 54 tons of semi-processed pesticides, 29 tons of reactor waste. Let's know the historical context of the tragedy. On 2nd December 1984, the release of methyl isocyanate gas killed over 15,000 people and affected more than 6 lakh. In 2015, a trial incineration of 10 tons of waste was conducted. The government is to submit a court affidavit on 3rd January with a hearing scheduled for 6th January. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, where is the toxic waste from Bhopal being transported for disposal? Pithampur, Sihor, Devas or Indore? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.